Why are you all dusty? What have you been doing, Missy? Little miss? Did you help? What are you doing, crazy girl? What are you doing, little crazy girl? Oh, thank you. You're licking me. Oh, thank you. Mommy gotta go now. Oh, thank you. So it's like 9:40 on a work day. And I'm headed to Ikea with people from work because they wanted to go, and why wouldn't I go? There's some dust on there or something. I mean, it's kind of far, but I've never been to the Ikea near me, so I mean, it's like an hour away, but an hour and then some away. But I've never been there, so I'm gonna go check it out. I mean, I don't really need anything, but somebody says Ikea. I want to go. I want to be in on it too. So I'm already late, so let me leave. Take you in the car with me. I bought some new songs for the ride, so should be fun. In the car now. Let's hope this is an easy ride, because I don't know where the flip I'm going. Don't believe me, just watch. See my breath. It says 10 degrees on my thing here. Start navigation. 53 minutes. Okay. Alright. Let's do this. Let's hope that stays. Alright, here we go. To Ikea. Somebody's coming. Story of my life. Come on, lady. I'm trying to go to Ikea here. Does that sound good? It's just the snow. Don't worry. Getting paid over here. I wanna run away. I wanna run away. Anywhere out this way. I wanna run away. I am not awake right now.
Your destination will be on the right.
I see it! Now I just gotta wait for everybody else to get here. So I had to drive the farthest, so they're getting here at like 11. It's like, my clock's fast, but it's like 10:45, 10. So early! But I like it. I like being up early. I'm only able to get up early when I have things to do like this. So, woo! In Ikea. That fan. It doesn't look as big as it is on the camera here. Woo! Elevator!
Every time I go to the doctor, they're like, are you alive?
I'm gonna be a tourist. If you guys are cool with that.
Yeah,
Be a tourist, yay!
So I ran out. I go back in and I go to feel my hair. It had frozen.
Yeah, that happened to me in college.
The excitement.
I'm sure it's happened to me before, but it's definitely been a while.
Couches. I like that one.
What you're trying to get at. I'm like, of course you can't drive. You're 80.
I want this.
The car, everything's good. And I'm like, all right, I guess I'm ready to leave. But then I was like so cold from cleaning off my car and everything. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna run back in and pee one more time. Thank God I did. I had left the door to Sweetie's.
The people that lived in our house before us painted one room.
I like this.
I'd be afraid to touch anything because I'd be afraid that I'd break it.
It's just IKEA stuff, though.
Yeah, I know, but it doesn't.
Oh. Who did I tell that my table needs to be full of Pez? This would do the job. I don't know, but let's look. Look at that circle chair. Or that.
But, I mean, considering this is only $10 more than that, this works better. Plus, I could put like maybe 4 boxes on this one.
It's not bad.
Even though you wouldn't be able to see the ones in the back, but at least there'd be somewhere to put them for now.
Yeah, I tried to start hiding in the corner.
I love all the
Why
glass.
have the rest when you can have the best thing?
Oh.
Funkos would look so cool in that.
You should totally and then Harley couldn't get to them either. Or Corey. So Corey would be like, wait, is that one new? I don't know, and you can't get to it.
It's locked. That's cool. The X makes the wine bottles fit. Corkin.
Alex, what did I do?
Ooh.
I like that. Oops. I'm attacking Alana with the bag.
I feel like that would be great for 5 minutes until Harley realized that she could bat it.
Well, they get sick of it. You know, they'll play with it for a little bit.
I just stuck 2 nails and I
Yeah, no, I
nice
feel like
string.
you could make it really easily.
And you can buy the clips by themselves. So.
Yeah. It's not bad price-wise, though, if that is in fact the price. If that's
Well, it's
only
$2.99
$3.
for the clips. If you need that, I think it's like $20.
$12.99. That's not bad though.
So yours.
I think I got the clips for free, actually.
So there you go.
Mine was
Ooh, pens. Markers.
Ooh. Why do the markers even have a fancy name?
Everything has a fancy name. Thing. Wait, hold on. I like the corner desk.
Yeah, you won't be able to pull. Well, I mean, you could kind of.
Orange. Yeah. Do it.
I don't like orange personally.
Oh, I don't either. But I just like
other colors?
Yeah.
I'll leave it.
That's going to be nowhere near it.
Crystal's wheeling in the fancy chair. I really like that one.
It's Dr. Evil's chair.
Stop pumping the laser.
I like this one.
It has that hotel room chair effect.
Okay, if you get this chair, there's only one way to sit in it. Whenever someone enters the room, you have to turn your back to them, and then.
With a cat.
Yes.
Just know that it.
This one hugs me very nicely. I want to take it home.
So they need much more room.
Yeah, let me try this out.
Wheeling in the chair section. Those look really good together.
And it would go with the white too, because the
Yeah.
white triangle.
I don't like this. I like.
I do like that color. That's the kind of wood I like.
That is nice.
Got like grayish brown wood.
Oh, and it closes
Taupe.
for you.
You could call it taupe. I like those chairs.
Many cabinets.
Me.
I would find plenty of things to put in those cabinets.
Yeah. Food.
Bobby Flay, maybe?
Ooh, that's
That's
cool.
cool.
I like that it goes up. That's neat. Cutting
that
board
is
that
cool.
hangs over your sink.
Picture?
Yeah,
That's the weirdest picture I've ever seen.
but it's cool.
It is cool.
It could also be a vase.
Yeah.
Is that the TV itself, or is that?
I don't think so. Does it have a thing? Because that's really cool.
Less comfy than it looks like.
Yeah.
Fake Xbox?
It is a fake Xbox.
What are you, fancy lights?
We took one of those, remember the... That
Hey, I'm in the shower. Oh wait, I'm recording still. I'm in the shower.
Somebody get me this bathroom for my
Yeah, I
birthday?
want the tub.
Plus, we want to go to the Franklin Institute because the Franklin Institute.
I want this bed, Alana. Look at it. What is this headboard?
Oh my god.
Oh, you guys are all.
I have an Alana.
Alana, I have a dragon.
Yes, this one has a
Oh,
dragon.
that light is cool.
I know, I want this whole bed.
I feel like I could make that.
Probably. But look how nice that headboard is.
That is
That's a nice color.
Oh, it's nice
White,
and tufted.
white and,
Risers and you have to pee and then you fall and kill yourself.
well, it wouldn't be on risers at home. I like the rug too with it. Remember this, Katie. This is what you want for your house one day. I'm on a comfy bed with Crystal. Oh look, they have even signs on the ceiling. Sleep better tonight. Ask about same day delivery.
Through the night.
Mirror doors.
Just saying, by the way, at the end of the year, Corey and I are looking into possibly getting like a
I really just buy stuff to put.
live.
I love this chair. I like the gray and purple.
Oh, that's cool and a really simple solution.
Shopping for lunch.
Now, if you want any of this stuff, you put it on the thing. If you want food, you ask what, you tell them what you want, and then you put it on the thing. And then you check out over there.
This thing fascinates me. Salad. I know, there's rats. There's even a tiny, tiny gray one. A baby gray one. The tiny gray one is so cute.
I'm leaving this child.
If you have seen.
I think those are real. Alana, what's his name?
Klaus.
Okay, you can be Klaus. Ever and ever.
What is his actual like?
I don't know. Vandering Bjorn. Oh, Bjorn. I like Bjorn. Bjorn the bear. That guy's going a little crazy. Most of this card is me. I'll have to do an Ikea
Probably
haul,
because there's
guys.
nobody to actually help down here.
Yeah, they're few and far between.
Do.
Are you taking an eye selfie?
Yep.
That was a stretch.
Ooh, that's pretty.
That won't be causing any to watch later.
I'm the one who has to edit it, don't worry.
It was Marcus with a K.
It'll probably be right next to it, so.
I should tip it up this way. Oh, my battery's gonna die. No! So, we ate at like 12:30 and then I don't know what happened and suddenly it was 2 o'clock and I had to run away. I had to like speedily pack my car
In point
and
2
get the hell
miles,
out of there
keep right, then
because
keep right.
and my paper has an hour early deadline tonight on my 2 papers. I have hour early deadlines tonight, apparently.
Keep right, then keep right.
Okay. I had to like throw everything in my cart and then throw everything in my car. But totally worth it. I bought way too much stuff, but what else is new? And I'll have less to buy when I move out one day. I bought children's flatware because who doesn't want rainbow plates and bowls and forks and knives? Yeah, I got a plant that looks like a pineapple and another bamboo. I got mirrors that are probably breaking right now. I don't know what all that racket is. But I got mirrors for my wall that I wanted to practice Zumba. And I got magnetic boards that I can put. I'm going to put magnets on the back of my makeup and stick it on the board. What else? I got a drill because I'm an independent woman and I needed a drill and a laser level. Got that too. I got some pillows. I got some shower curtains for a shower that I don't even own yet. Excuse me. I ate Swedish meatballs because I never have before. Oh, we had this really delicious pink puff of a cake. It was covered in marzipan. Oh my god, it was so delicious. I got some lights. I got like fairy lights that are flowers, and then I got a little desk lamp that'll help me, like if I'm doing my nails or something, you can like point it down. And I got one on a clip that's the same thing that I can use by my bed for the same purpose, reading or nail painting or nail jamboree. Now I have to like speed my way on to work. But again, totally worth it, not complaining at all. Just that I got texted my deadlines are early, of course, when I have something to do for once. And I just picked my nose in my video. Whatever. What else did I get? Some weird whisk thing. And something to scoop my bubble tea bubbles out of if I make bubble tea. Really, it's a scooper for like frying. Maybe I'll do a haul. I can do an Ikea haul. That'd be fun.